If you're planning to buy a cockatiel, it's important to choose a healthy and happy bird. Here are some key factors to consider before making a purchase. 1. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Check the bird's appearance. Bright, clear eyes, no discharge or swelling. Clean, smooth feathers, no bald patches or plucking. Active and alert posture, not puffed up for long periods. 2. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Observe its behavior. The bird should be curious, playful, and responsive. Avoid birds that look lethargic, sleepy, or disinterested. A healthy cockatiel will show some level of socialization. 3. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Listen to its breathing. Breathing should be silent and smooth. Avoid birds that wheeze, sneeze, or breathe with an open beak, a sign of illness. 4. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Examine the beak. Feet. Beak should be smooth, strong, and without cracks. Feet should have clean scales and a firm grip. Avoid birds with swollen, injured, or crusty feet. 5. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Check its droppings. Normal droppings are solid with a white urate part. Watery, discolored, or very smelly droppings could indicate health problems. 6. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Ask the seller important questions. Thy superscript 1. How old is the cockatiel? Best age to buy, 8-12 weeks old. Thy superscript 1. Has the bird been hand-tamed or is it wild? Thy superscript 1. What food is the bird currently eating? Thy superscript 1. Any signs of previous illness or vet visits? 7. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Buy from a reputable source. Choose a trusted breeder, pet store, or rescue center. Ensure the birds are kept in clean and hygienic conditions. Avoid sellers with overcrowded cages or unhealthy birds.